Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos and share my videos. Keep supporting. Thank you guys. So today the topic of our discussion in this video will be the promos and deals offered by Namecheap.com. For those of you who are Namecheap users, they are already aware of this, but for those of you who do not, who are new to Namecheap, or who do not knows about the promos and deals, they can access this page through this link, namecheap.com/promos. And they can select the promos and deals that they want, and they can use that promo code and or onto your checkout page basically. So what this promos and deals page is, you can check the latest deals that are offered by Namecheap.com here, and you can select and choose the deal whatever you want. If you are looking for a domain, you can click on this tab. If you are looking for the promos and deals for your hosting, you can select this tab. And if you're looking for security and apps and so on, something like that. And if you're looking for if you want to search through each and everything, you can click on all tabs. But mostly I think the domains and hosting part is being used the most. So this promo, basically it's for this promo is for new customer, right? To buy a .com domain. They offer a .com domain just for $6.49, and for the next year you can renew it. You can see the price by selecting the domain or typing in your domain. So this domain is this promo is for the new customers, right? But for the hosting, there is only, like, you can select the promo that you want, and you can use that promo. So this is the basically the promo page and the promos and deals that are currently being offered by Namecheap.com. But if you want, as per my experience, basically you can also talk to the support and ask for the promos and deals that are currently available for you guys. So that's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.